Hi everyone, welcome to our tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to create customer accounts. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create customer accounts and introduce the customer account page. You can find it under the customer menu. And here it is. The customer account page is the customer management page, which mainly implements the operations of adding, editing, deleting, and exporting customer information. Let me show you how to create a new customer by clicking this button. The items with a star are required to fill. After filling out the information, click Save. A customer account is created successfully. The initial status of a new customer account is draft. You can only delete this account under the draft status. Once you click Approve, it is not allowed to delete it anymore. You can also edit the customer information by clicking any line of the customer account. To edit their account, you can add additional information like address, contact details, and payment information. Net terms are for calculating the due date of a bill for this customer. For example, if it's net 30, it means the due date will be 30 days after the document date. We also have an export function here on this button. You can select the customer by checking the box here or filter by the condition. By clicking the export button, the customer list that meets the condition will be exported. So, that will be all for the customer account page and how to create a customer account. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please check out our other tutorial videos.